Imagine this, you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast, and you're eagerly waiting for the latest news on Bitcoin and its altcoin brethren. You're wondering, will Bitcoin continue to rise, or will altcoins follow suit? Let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency and see what we can find. October has been a solid month for Bitcoin, with the price nearing the 2023 high at $31,805. However, major resistances are not cleared in the first instance as the temperances considered bears come out in full force to guard the level. So a minor dip is expected, but that should not be considered as the start of a negative. Buyers regroup at lower levels and try to form a higher floor. This triggers further buying and starts a rally. This is a possibility in Bitcoin, but risks remain. While the cooling of the United States dollar index is a positive sign, the weakness in the S&P 500 index is a negative sign. Another risk to the rising cryptocurrency markets could come from the surging 10-year Treasury yield, which once again rose above 5%. The rise in the yields show that the market participants are losing hope the Federal Reserve will cut rates in the near future. Could the frustration from the U.S. equities markets drive investors to the cryptocurrency markets? Will Bitcoin decouple from the S&P 500 index and extend its up move? Let's analyze the charts to find out. The bears successfully held the retest of the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern in the S&P 500 index. The failure to shove the price above the 50-day at simple moving average for 4,382 attracted aggressive selling by the bears. The index dropped below the crucial support at 4,216 on October 23, but the bulls are trying to hide their guide. It's still this is a really... The U.S. dollar index is witnessing a tough battle between the bulls and the bears. The bulls tried to push the price toward the local high of 107.35, but the bears held their ground. Sellers are attempting to sustain the price below the breakout level of 106. If they manage to do that, the index may witness profit booking and tumble to the 50-day SMA and then to 104.50. After struggling to sustain above $30,000 for the past 3 days, the bulls made a decisive move on October 23 and pushed to $31,000. The sharp rally of the past few days has pushed the relative strength index into the overbought territory, indicating that a consolidation or correction is possible in the short term. Ether broke above the moving averages on October 21, indicating that the bulls continue to buy the dips to the strong support at 1,531. The 20-day EMA 1,608, as it was starting to turn up, and the RSI is in the positive zone, indicating that the bears may be losing their grip. BNB broke and closed above the downtrend line on October 26, and validating the bearish descending triangle pattern. The BNB USDT pair has reached a horizontal resistance at $223. If this obstacle is overcome, the pair could rally to $243 and thereafter to $250. XRP rose above the moving averages on October 19th, and the bulls have maintained the price above this level since then. The bulls will try to push the price to the overhead resistance at $56. Solana turned up sharply from 24 cents on October 19th and rose above the moving averages on October 21. The sharp rally of the past few days has pushed the RSI into overbought territory, indicating that a minor correction or consolidation is possible in the near term. Cardano turned up sharply from 19 force on October 19th and rose above the moving averages on October 21. The buying picked up further, and the